Chittagong, officially known as Chattogram, is a major coastal seaport city and financial center in southeastern Bangladesh. Chittagong is the largest port in Bangladesh and the second most populous city in the country. It is home to the so-called ship graveyard, a dismantling site for ships from around the world. Inhuman conditions of manual labor and poverty wages of workers allow the owners to make huge profits after selling the resulting metal. In the north of Italian Tuscany, at the mouth of the Arno River, spreads one of the most visited cities museums in Europe, Pisa. The Tower of Pisa, a falling landmark from the Middle Ages, has brought it worldwide fame. The city has prepared many more wonders for travelers: cobbled streets with colorful houses, small picturesque squares, majestic temples, beautiful palaces, unique museums, and luxurious parks. You can wander around Pisa endlessly, discovering incredibly interesting places of the old city in beautiful Italy. Today we will go with you on a fascinating walk around Lviv after the rain. The city gratefully accepted the lower drops of rain, and now we will have the opportunity to enjoy its special atmosphere. After the rain, Lviv turns into a real fairy tale. Streets are covered with wet cobblestones, and architectural masterpieces of the city are reflected in streams of water. Lviv is the western tourist capital of Ukraine, the city of legends and myths, the land of nobles and kings. A city with a special European charm and an atmosphere of majestic tranquility. Maputo City is the capital of the African state of Mozambique, located in the southeast of the country, at the mouth of the Tower River and on the coast of Maputo Bay, which belongs to the Indian Ocean Basin. The tropical and colonial city of Maputo is one of the most carefree cities on the African continent. People drink coffee in street cafes during the day, eat spicy tiger prawns in beach restaurants in the evenings, and enjoy brandy at night while listening to jazz and dancing salsa in the bars. Beaches, shady alleys, and countless markets complete the beautiful picture. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.